In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a recurring task in Todoist. This quick guide will help you streamline your task management, ensuring that recurring tasks are never missed. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Simply type Todoist into the search bar and click on the correct link to head over to their website. If you already have an account, you'll want to log in at this point. If you're new to Todoist, you'll need to create an account first, but for today, let's assume you're logging in. Once you're logged into your Todoist account, it's time to create a new task. Find the option that says Create Task. It's usually indicated by a plus icon or a straightforward button. Click on it, and you'll see a space to type in the name of your task. Think about what this task means to you. Maybe it's something minor like watering your plants or a significant job-related task. Type in the task name that's clear and specific to what you want to accomplish. Now, let's set the timeline for your task by clicking on the Date option. This feature is pretty flexible. You can choose from today's date for immediate tasks, tomorrow if you need a little prep time, this weekend for tasks you prefer to handle leisurely, next week for future preparations, or you can even opt for No Date if your task isn't time-sensitive just yet. If your task needs to be performed at a specific time, look for the Time button. Clicking on this will allow you to add even more precision to your task scheduling. Select the exact time you wish to start or check off your task. You can also set the duration of the task to better manage how you balance it with other obligations during your day. Additionally, don't overlook choosing the correct time zone, especially if your task involves coordination with others who may not be in your time zone. When you've set everything, remember to click Save. Now, here's where recurring tasks come into play. The Repeat option is crucial for setting how often your task will occur. You can choose from straightforward options like every day, every week, every weekday, every month, or even every year. If you need something more tailored, select Custom. This will give you more control to specify whether the task recurs based on its scheduled initiation date or the day you complete it, how frequently it recurs, and when, if ever, you want this task to stop showing up. Finally, once all your preferences are set, click on Save to lock in your changes. And that's it. With these steps, you now have a recurring task set up in Todoist that will keep you organized and on top of your commitments. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.